Hello guys, welcome to Masala Chai and this is Shiv here. In our previous videos we had spoken how to prepare for your first job or maybe how to draft your first resume, and in this video we'll speak more about how to get prepared yourself for your first interview, maybe physically or mentally, how one should get prepared before they go and appear for their first interview, because it's your first attempt and that should be tackled in one go. Whether it's a face-to-face interview or maybe a telephonic interview or a video conference, all that we should consider to have few preparations done well in advance, because we never know when the opportunity would knock the door. I would suggest you to have a mock interview done with one of your friends or maybe family members, so that you will get prepared yourself well in advance, how, and you will also get to know how your interview will be. And after that, the clothing, how should be your dressing for the interview? Yes, of course, you should have a business formals, and make sure that you will have a dressing done as according to your comfortableness and also as according to your confidence booster. A well dressed, well fit clothes will definitely increase your confidence and definitely will make sure that you do best in your interview. Let's discuss about what are the things one must carry and one should not carry during the interview. Yes, of course, extra copy of your portfolio or maybe the resume, and also please carry one maybe a notebook or a pen, so that you can make note of the points, or maybe it may come use for any other things. And please do not carry your mobile phones, though you have carried, please do keep it in a silent mode, and please do not carry unnecessary bags or baggages or anything else which would make you feel uncomfortable during interview. Reach the location at least 30 minutes prior to the scheduled timings. Know your location, know the place, know the room number or the meeting room number where you're supposed to go attend your interview. Know well in advance the person whom you're supposed to contact. Reach early, know the environment around, study it, and so that you will feel confident yourself instead of rushing in last minute and maybe ending up your interview not done very well. Please do follow certain interview ethic which creates more impression or maybe a good impression in interviewer's mind. One of the biggest challenge in any interview is selling yourself. It's all about how do you present yourself, how do you sell yourself to the employer. Be prepared for an elevator speech to explain or to describe who you are, what you are, and what you want to do. While you won't be able to predict all the questions or every questions that will be asked in interview, definitely you can get prepared for few commonly asked questions in any of the interviews, like why are you interested in this job, and why do you want to work with this company, or to know what are your strengths and weaknesses, or anything related to that. During a job interview, listening is as important as answering. Pay attention, be attentive, listen to the questions or listen to the employer, and take your time if appropriate and to articulate your answer for. Towards the end of the interview, let the recruiter know that you believe the job is an excellent fit for you and you are more interested in joining. Well, that is what I had with this video, but we'll definitely meet again with more videos with different topics to discuss further. I hope this was more informative and helpful for you. Please do share your comments. If you have any questions or anything to be spoken about, please drop us a mail or maybe comment below. Keep following the Masala Chai. See you.